With all the ups and downs of my hectic schedule, I still know everything that happens on OPW, The Road, and all the other shows on DStv. How do I do it? It's my BFF Catch Up. It's now on Compact. It is the future of watching TV. Whether you're stuck in traffic or your meeting runs over, keep calm. We can now catch up on Compact. The way we are called to catch up, guys, ooh, shame. This is what you do. You press the blue catch up button to get started. Then you select your favorite show. Then you press OK. Then umnati. Guys, I am so obsessed with OPW these days. Let me catch up to keep up.
DStv Catch Up is now available to DStv Compact customers. Upgrade to the DStv Explorer so that you too can catch up to keep up. DStv Compact. Kumnand, ekhaya.
Tina se Explorer. Wena.